Welcome to sunny Orlando, home of Mickey Mouse, $11 churros, and theme park-induced foot blisters. But hey, you didn't click on this video to hear me whine about my poor life choices. No, you're here because you're a savvy traveler, a budget-conscious adventurer, a Disney dreamer without Disney pricing. And guess what? I found the unicorn you've been looking for. Today, we're talking about Buena Vista Suites, the hotel that's 1.5 miles from Walt Disney World and yet, shockingly, not owned by Disney. That's right, this place is what they call a Disney Good Neighbor hotel. That means it's close enough to the mouse to smell the pixie dust, but not so close that you're charged a fortune for a night in a bed smaller than your car. So, what is a Good Neighbor hotel? Well, basically just means that Disney has looked at this place, nodded solemnly, and said, yeah, that doesn't suck. It's basically Disney's way of saying, we don't own it, but we'll let it hang out with us anyway. Buena Vista Suites has 279 suites, which is hotel speak for, look, we gave you a couch and a microwave. Please stop complaining. And hey, for Orlando, that's pretty generous. You want space for the whole family without selling a kidney? This might be your spot. Let's talk about what you get. Because basically, this hotel is trying really hard to be the friend who always brings snacks to the party. First up, complimentary breakfast. Yes, free breakfast in Orlando, a town where breathing costs money. They offer a buffet in their oh-so-fancy Valencia room, with eggs, sausage, breakfast potatoes, bagels, fruit, yogurt, and cereal. Now, are we talking gourmet 5-star Michelin magic? No, but if you're looking to stuff the kids full of eggs and then send them off to sweat in a 95-degree weather at Magic Kingdom, well, this is gold. Next, free self-parking. Now listen, in Orlando, finding free parking is like spotting a unicorn riding a Segway through Epcot. It just doesn't happen. So the fact that you can actually park your vehicle here for $0 is a minor miracle. You could cry. I almost did. There's a heated outdoor pool and hot tub. That's right, I said heated. Yes, it's Florida and it's already hot. But don't act like that you're not going to jump in that pool the minute that your kid mentions it, right? Now, they actually heat the pool, which is super useful for those 3 whole days in January when the temperature drops below 75. There's a fitness room. They have one. You won't use it, but it's there. It's that weird room with the treadmill that you'll walk past on the way to the vending machine. It's small. Still, it exists. There's scheduled shuttle service to Disney. They say it's scheduled, but what they really mean is you'd better be on time or it's back to Lyft roulette. But hey, it's another free perk that saves you $30 in Uber fares. That's another churro in your pocket. How about quick service dining at Bistro Pizza Express? Because nothing says authentic Italian cuisine like pizza and wings cooked by a guy named Dave, who probably also works the front desk. But honestly, after a long day at the parks, you don't want fine dining. You want greasy, fast, and delivered in under 12 minutes, so check. Hey, did you spill Dole Whip on your shirt? Did you sweat through everything you packed by day 2? Well, don't worry, there's a guest laundry facility. Toss it in the washer and pretend your vacation isn't slowly unraveling. They offer a concierge service. They'll sell you theme park tickets and answer your questions with the enthusiasm of someone who's heard, "Where's the best place to see fireworks?" 17 times just that morning. Also a business center, because nothing says vacation like checking work emails while your kid screams over who gets the last Mickey bar. How about the Vista Market? Now this is a win. A 24-hour grab-and-go self-checkout shop that sells coffee, snacks, meats, cheeses, candy, ice cream, Basically everything that you need at 2 a.m. when you regret that second turkey leg. It's like your own personal Wawa, but fancier and without the gas pumps. And let's not forget, you also get access to pickleball and tennis courts next door. That's right, you could technically play sports. Will you? No, but you'll know it's available, and that's what counts. Oh, and the Island Spa, that's next door also. Because who doesn't want a deep tissue massage after 12 hours of being emotionally manipulated by animatronic pirates? All right, now that we've talked the talk, it's time to walk the walk. We are going to take you on a full tour of a one-bedroom suite, so you can see exactly what you get for your money. Space, comfort, and probably a questionable piece of wall art will be involved. Oh, hi! I didn't know you were there. Don't you hate it when people do that in videos? They just walk in and pretend like that they don't know the camera's there. One of my pet peeves. Anyway, I'm getting completely off track. Let's take a look around the room. So when you first walk in the room, from back there where I just did, you can see there is a very large sitting area here. Little coffee table. Little L sofa, some nice art on the wall. Over there is another little seating area with a table and some chairs. This actually folds out into another bed. So it looks like maybe a queen. So you could, technically sleep 5 to 6 people in here between the separate bedroom and the fold-out bed here. And it's comfy. You can sit here, watch TV. You got a little area over here where you can you got your TV. You've got your Cuisinart for coffee, microwave. Got a little mini fridge right in here that you can stock. A little bit of extra storage here where I've got some food items that I can heat up. Lots of storage there. A little stool. Not sure what you would need that for, but there it is. So that is kind of the I guess living room you would call it. So we'll head on back towards the bathroom and the bedroom now. All right, so this is the bathroom. You've got your standard bathroom. It is a shower tub combo. So whichever you like, you can do here. It does have bath gel and shampoo and conditioner. And some more little abstract art there. Now look at me in the mirror. There I am. Outside of the bathroom is where the sink area is, so that more people can brush their teeth and get ready and all that kind of stuff while other people are showering. So pretty standard little area here. So we'll go ahead and spin around and take a look at the bedroom. So from the bathroom area here, you just come on in to the bedroom, and you'll see this particular unit has 2 queen beds. So you got, 4 people you could sleep in here, and an additional 1 or 2 out there on the sofa bed. So it's a lot of room for a lot of people. There is another television here, of course, so you can lay down and check out the TV. You've got some individual lights here, little book lights that if they want to go to sleep and you don't, you can shine that light here on you. This is the most amazing alarm clock I've ever seen. Maybe you've seen these, I don't know. But this is, look, it tells the time there on the face, but if you're sleeping in this bed, it's also got the time that shows on this side. Or perhaps you're sleeping in this bed it's got another window that has the time displayed in it. Look at that. It's got three time displays. So no matter where you're at or what bed you're sleeping in, you can see what time it is. Over here, there is a little desk for your computer right here, and plug-in units. Got some more storage areas here for clothing. Over here, you've got a safe if you want to lock things up in here. Another little storage area down here. That television, and then of course right over here is the big closet for all of your hanging needs. There is a ironing board if you need that. Some extra bedding for fold-out bed. So it's got a lot of room, and it's a good alternative to a Disney hotel. If you're looking for something a little off property, sleeps a few more people, and is within a little different price range. Did you see that couch? That spacious separate bedroom? That door you can close so your kids don't stare at you at 6 a.m. asking when it's time to go to Hollywood Studios? I mean, that's worth the price right there. Buena Vista Suites is located on World Center Drive, just off Interstate 4. So it's right in the heart of the theme park action, but not so close that you can hear screaming from Space Mountain. You're getting space, free breakfast, parking, a pool, shuttle access, and all those little bonuses that make a big, big difference. If you're planning a Disney trip and don't want to drop your entire savings account on accommodations, but still want something clean, roomy, and packed with perks, Buena Vista Suites might just be your new best friend. And they guarantee you the lowest price. Yes, they will price match. So hey, before you run off to check park reservations, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more theme park madness, and drop a comment below if you've stayed here, or if you have a better hotel hack. I'm always looking for tips that don't involve me sleeping in my car. So thanks for watching, and remember, Disney magic is even better when you're not broke. We'll see you next time.